Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LoopNet for multifamily deal sourcing, full guide step by step clearly. To activate LoopNet for multifamily deal sourcing, start by visiting the LoopNet website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button if you're a new user. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions and submit the form. Check your email for a verification message from LoopNet. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Log into your newly created LoopNet account. Navigate to the search feature on the homepage. Select multifamily from the property types available in the drop-down menu. Enter your desired location in the search bar, specifying the city, neighborhood, or zip code. Adjust the filters to refine your search according to your investment criteria, such as price range, number of units, or cap rate. Review the listings displayed on the results page. Click on a property that interests you to access the full listing details. Utilize the Save feature to keep track of properties you're interested in. Set up alerts by selecting the Alert Me option for specific search criteria. This will notify you when new multifamily properties matching your requirements are listed. Explore the additional resources available on LoopNet, like market trends and analysis tools. Join industry forums or connect with other investors through LoopNet's community features. Engage with the tools and resources LoopNet offers to enhance your deal sourcing process. Regularly log in to stay updated on the latest listings and any changes to existing properties. Use LoopNet's mobile app for on-the-go access to your account and property information. This will allow you to stay informed and reactive to new deals as they arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.